Hey, today I want to show you something that I found pretty interesting, how you can find unclaimed money that might be owed to you or someone you know or someone that may have passed. And what's interesting is that this website makes it really easy for us to do this. It searches the entire U.S. and more. I don't know if you know, in a previous video I did only focused on the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, but this one does a lot more than that. I'm Mike Bogdan. I'm here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's September 2025, and I create this educational content through the Nest Egg Financial Group in our Financial Soup channel based on real life situations that I encounter here in my office. More recently, I had a couple people come in with old stock certificates, so you look for a transfer agent. And during one of the transfer agent searches, I found something called Unclaimed.org. So let's take a look at it. So let's go on over to Unclaimed.org. It's the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators. We have the different states. So let's go across the top first here. We're going to go to missing money, how to find missing property across America, unclaimed property across America. They have a typo, obviously. Unclaimed to it is rightful owner. They got it correct down here, but wrong up there. So anyway, let's go back to the beginning here and scroll down. Search for property in your state or province. So we have all 50 states. And we also have Alberta, Bank of Canada, British Columbia, Kenya, New Brunswick, Puerto Rico, Quebec, and U.S. Virgin Islands. Now, if you want to, you can go to each individual state by hovering over it, or you can go over here and select your state or province from a drop-down or, a table or a listing over here. So let's get out of that. Let's go directly over to launchmissingmoney.com. Now, if you want to do your own due diligence, you got a couple things to do. One, you have the who is unclaimed.org or whoismissingmoney.com to get information about that. You can do a Google search on, domains, then put the word complaint after that. You can go to Reddit and see if there's any type of Reddit tracking or streaming going on there. Or Chat-GPT, like howismissingmoney.com monetized. And you get all the information. But anyway, due diligence is your responsibility. If you have any uncomfortable or if you're not comfortable with using this resource, do your own background searches. But let me just show you what's capable with missingmoney.com. Okay, here we are at missingmoney.com, and we're going to do a search for John Jones. And you can see we don't have a city specified, and we're doing all states. Now, there's two different types of results that we get from the search. First of all, there's over 1,000 unclaimed properties for this very common name, John Jones. And there's an info button and a claim button. Info is go over to the specific state. This one's Pennsylvania. Go to its official site. And apparently this also has a claim facility that if you claim these, it adds it to like a cart, and you can view the claim properties and do it this way. Now, I have no experience doing it this way, but personally, I've had all experiences doing it with the info way of going to, let's get them back, out of the cart, and doing the search process with the state itself. So that's it on missingmoney.com, and we'll wrap it up here. Now, as we had mentioned about missingmoney.com, that there are many states that subscribe that you can do the claim, and some states don't, so you have to do the info button to go to each state-specific Treasury Department. So with that being said, remember that unclaimed money can come from many sources. Forgotten bank accounts, lost CDs, insurance refunds, insurance claims, uncashed checks. It's always good to check for yourself and loved ones whether or not they're currently living or deceased. Now, uncovering unclaimed money is a good start, but how did this situation occur in the first place? It's probably a lack of planning or just some straight oversight. Anyway, you should get advice from a financial advisor, or at least someone who could do a financial inventory without giving you a sales pitch on what you should do. You should start out with a financial inventory. We have a video on this. It's called Asset Map. Advice starts here, to take a look on our channel about how to get organized. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And stay proactive with your finances. It can make a huge difference. A little bit now, but a huge difference in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.